As a civilian person, when military is waging a war, what we have to do? And military యుద్ధం చేస్తున్నప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయగలం అని అనుకున్నప్పుడు ప్రతి సివిలియన్ కూడా, including all the civilians of our nation, we have a role to play. Make sure any kind of anti-national rhetoric happens on social media. Make sure you give a counter attack. Make sure they'll be brought to justice. Make sure you'll be conveyed to the relevant cybercrime departments. And also, please make sure we'll file cases on them. And also, I have conveyed to our DGP also today morning, anybody from the state of Andhra Pradesh, anyone who goes anti-national and who goes against this war will be booked under very severe cases, and they have to be reminded